What's up, family? Today we have a lot of heat to show y'all. I actually accumulated these 4 pair of sneakers in the past month, and I decided, you know what, I need a video to post for y'all. Might as well show you some heat that I recently picked up. If y'all end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what's the last pickup you had, whether it was sneakers, clothing, anime, anything that you're into. Let me know in the comments your most recent pickup. We're gonna start with this box right here. I don't know why. This is the first thing that came to my mind, so okay, we're here. First up, we got the Jordan 5s. This is actually a pretty clean box. I love the details they put on this box. It's definitely clean, but in this box we have the Jordan 5 Jade Horizons. These are actually a really slept on sneaker. I got these for like $80, bro. Worn once, which is crazy if you really think about it. I don't have many 5s in my collection, so when I saw these on eBay at such a great price, I'm like, might as well buy them, you feel me? It's a clean sneaker. I don't have much of this model, and at the price they were going for, it's definitely a no-brainer. This has like this jadish green, minty green color. Also obviously has the yellowish. These are a little bit worn, so I definitely got to clean them up a little bit. For $80 is definitely a solid pickup. Jordan 5s honestly get no love in the sneaker game, so I kind of understand why something like this would fly under the radar. There's a lot of sneakers that you could low-key pick up in this day and age on eBay for steals. So if you guys are debating on picking up a new sneaker but don't want to waste too much money, definitely check out eBay's auctions and they're newly listed. You can honestly find a lot of gems in there for a really good price. So first up, Jade Horizon 5s, a sneaker that I wanted to pick up when it first released. Just wasn't paying retail for these at like $200. Definitely a pass, but at $80, it's a clean pickup. This is my second pair of 5s besides my off-white one, so I definitely wanted to pick these up. But let's get into the next shoe. Y'all already saw the Travis 270s in the thumbnail, so might as well talk about them. Cactus Jack on the back, a bunch of different swooshes on them. This is a shoe that I tried to buy back in the day, and I actually got a fake pair, so I ended up returning them. I got my money back, and I just fell back from the shoe. I never really was too pressed. I actually paid $350 back then to try and buy them, and I got this pair with no box for $200, bro. Clean sneaker. Patience definitely held me down with this one because I got them at a better price. I just had to wait a little bit, but I know for sure these are authentic. When I bought them back then, eBay didn't have the authentication service that they do now, so these definitely are legit, and I got them at a way better price, so I'm glad I picked up the Travis 270 Air Maxes. It's a beautiful shoe. Low-key, my girl is trying to get these as well, so I'm gonna see if I can find her a steal on a pair because I don't think you should be paying too much for these at all. I actually wore these to Disney, and I must say they're pretty comfortable, bro. Pretty comfortable. I love these. I'm not gonna lie. Low-key want another pair of Air Maxes because I own these. This was the second pair, Travis Air Max 270s. If you're debating on picking these up, definitely get you a used pair. You can find them at a pretty solid price, and it's still a hard shoe. It's one of the most slept on Travises, actually. Now we got the big baby packages. This is where my money went in this video. This I paid resale for. These I got for retail. Let me know in the comments what y'all think is in these boxes. Be honest with yourself, bro. Don't just skip into the video and then check. Let me know what y'all think are in these boxes. My retail pickup, I actually was really excited to be able to get these for retail. I didn't think I was gonna be able to. I'm not gonna lie. Normally I have hope and shit, but this is a pair that had a lot of people on the fence, if that makes sense. It's like bars. Either loving this sneaker or hating this sneaker. I was one of those that said, let me wait and see them in hand before I complain. Y'all already see the box. I'm gassed I was able to get these off the Union website. We got the Union BBS Jordan 1s in a size 10. I love what Union does with the boxes. Honestly, they take it up a notch when it comes to that. Open this up, QR stamp on the inside. You have Air Jordan on the paper. This almost looks like the Bronx Projects. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Bing. We got the kicks. I haven't even seen them myself in person. I'm letting y'all get the first glimpse. They clean. They clean, bro. If y'all want to see a review on these, let me know. I know the sneaker released or whatever. Honestly, don't really care, bro. If y'all want to see a review or a how to style for Jordan 1 Unions, let me know in the comments. I could even do a lace swap. These Union Jordan 1s had a lot of people on the edge of their seats waiting to see what they were going to come out with. You saw the AJKOs. Those were a miss in my opinion. After the 2 original Jordan 1s that they did, they wanted to give us something different, and I definitely feel like this is something different. We've never ever seen this woven pattern on a pair of Jordan 1s. If you guys don't know, this woven style comes from the Nike Footscapes. Basically slapped it on a pair of Jordan 1s. bephies Beauty Supply hits. Tiffany mint crisscross stitch going around the collar of the sneaker, as well as the UNLA tag. As you guys can see, the Jumpman wings logo is actually humongous on this pair. Normally it's way smaller. Neutral gray across the back. If you guys want to see a full detailed review on these, let me know in the comments. I don't really want to talk about this sneaker too much in this video because I'm just showing y'all some recent pickups. The Union BBS Jordan 1s have entered the chat. I'm definitely going to be keeping these. I love the way that the leather's tumbled on the toe. It's just a different Jordan 1, so I'm glad to see what I compare these with. That's why I'm kind of excited to do the how to style video. I might do it regardless. I kind of want to do it for myself. Definitely clean. Now this last sneaker I'm about to show y'all is probably the one that I'm most excited for. Last glimpse, definitely clean. Let me know in the comments if y'all ended up picking this up for retail or did you willingly sleep. I got them from the Union website. They low-key restocked some pairs. I was like, yo, I gotta get those, you feel me? So here we are. They do also come with the yellow laces in the box. It was a missed opportunity because they could have gave us that minty green lace. Those would have been fire. Last up, we got these babies right here. These come all the way from Japan. I'm gonna have to legit check these. I think we should be straight for me. I paid the price that they're going for. They just so happen to come from Japan. These babies right here had to come home with me. First things first, it is a Nike SB. I don't ever really buy SBs. I think I got like 2 pairs, bro. I mainly buy Jordans. That's just what I grew up on. That's what I love. This pair, bro, relax. Do y'all see how they wrap these, bro? Like, damn. Nike SB on the box. Gas to see what these are looking like. These bitches is fire. These are clean, relax. There's like a Nike SB sticker. I don't know if this is like a vinyl or some shit. I guess it's cool. You normally don't get stickers with your sneakers. Nice little add-on. Yuto horigome Nike SBs. Bro, when these released, it low-key got me looking at his skateboarding videos, and he's a beast. He's a beast, bro. I think he's the first person to ever win the skateboarding Olympics or some shit like that. I see why. I'm just glad Nike gave him his own sneaker, and especially what he did with them. These are sexy, bro. From the brown across the back, the pink steel blue with the gray going across the swoosh, feather crest on the back. I believe this is like his family symbol or something like that. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. Brown outsole. The outsole on these almost reminds me of the Stussy Dunks, and those are going for like over 2,000 these days. This gives me 2000s Dunk SBs, bro. Like, these are beautiful. Definitely a gorgeous shoe. I love what he did with these, and it's not even typical for me to pay resale for a sneaker unless I really love it, especially an SB. I've never paid resale for a Nike SB collab. The fact that I ended up pulling the trigger on these, y'all know I genuinely love this sneaker. From the crest on the back, the tones that he used on the shoe, the brown, the pink, the steel blue. This is honestly my favorite color. I'm not gonna lie. I love this gray blue tone that's on this sneaker. They bring pink, brown, and white laces. Personally, I might leave the white, might toy with the pink just to tie the back hit together. It's a beautiful shoe. Once again, if y'all want to see a full review on this sneaker, let me know down below. I know these released already. I could give you my 2 cents on them, show y'all what I would wear them with. Bro, I'm actually in awe. I don't normally get super ecstatic about sneakers these days because I kind of have more than I would ever imagine needing, but I don't have too many SBs, so this throws me for a loop, bro. It's kind of refreshing. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Even take a look at the insoles. You have the feathers on one, and then you have the Nike on the other, almost in like this cherry blossom kind of print. These are based around the park he used to play at when he was younger, so it's cool what he did with these shoes, bro. I definitely am more inclined to buying Nike SBs after getting this pair. Y'all might see a full review on these. Those were the 4 pickups that I had in this video. Let me know what was your favorite in the comments. Out of these 4 pairs, which would you pick? Obviously, if money or resale prices weren't a thing, like if these were all the same price, which would you go in the store and be like, yeah, I'll take that one type shit? Let me know in the comments. For me, it's a no-brainer, bro. Y'all saw how I acted with the Yuto horigomes. I definitely love them. Second, I kind of would go with these. The Unions are cool. I kind of got to see how they look on my feet. That little stitch is throwing me off a little bit, if I'm being honest. They're nice. It's something different for a Jordan 1. Also have the Jade Horizons, which is a sleeper. Once again, an $80 sneaker. That's kind of rare to come across. I love these 4 pairs. I low-key have 2 more pairs of sneakers in this stash, but those are literally worth like 1K a piece. So they're each gonna get their own individual video, and there's there's a story behind each of those as well. So make sure y'all subscribe and stay tuned for that. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel. Let me know what else y'all would like to see. The Jordan 1 black toe giveaway might still be running, and this might be the last video that you can low-key enter it. So if you want to win a free pair of Jordan 1 low black toes, all you have to do is click the link at the top of the description. Rules are simple. Leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, follow 1.NORI, DM me proof so you're not disqualified when I do pick a winner, and yeah, you could win your size for a pair of Jordan 1 low black toes. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Spend time with your loved ones because you don't know how much time we have left. Thank y'all for watching this video. If you made it this far, bro, I love you. Thank you for real. I hope you have a great day, night, whenever you're watching. Watch one of these 2 videos because that's what YouTube is recommending you based on what you've been watching. YouTube knows your history and they know what you might watch next, especially from my channel. So click one of these 2 videos and I'll catch you there. Peace.